these YouTubers can put the effects in there. They can create a story. I think what's important about video is this. Tell a story. Think about storytelling, okay? Storytelling is biblical all the way back. People, Canterbury Tales, we grew up on that in England, right? We all know the Canterbury Tales and all of the stories around them. So storytelling, allowing somebody to take a journey with you through vocabulary is critical. And now you do it with authenticity on video, and people go, I'm coming with you. You sound like you're going in the right place. Let's go. So I think that's the power.
So is that what you did on the show as well? Just to be clear, when we talk about telling stories, we're not talking about telling fiction. Right? We're talking about creating a narrative from something that we're living, essentially, something that we believe. What does that mean when you're recording video, flipping a house, for example?
We're in the back, and I'm like, I'm going to cut this tree down, Donnie. And he goes, do whatever you want. He goes, as long as she's happy. And he does one of these, and it's all on camera. I'm like, what's the matter? He goes, happy wife, happy life. She's always busting my chops about my drinking. That's what he says, right? I've never kept it a secret. I'm sober 30 years, right? I haven't picked up a drink, a drug, a mood, or mind-altering substance 30 years. I had a few challenges in my younger days. You know what I mean? So I look at Donnie, and I forgot there's a camera there. I said, you know what, bud? I said, there's a place we could go together where I can show you how guys like you got over problems like that. If you're interested, I could help you out a little bit. And the camera lady, I never forget, her name was, sorry, now I forgot her name. Christina Helbig. Our camera lady, she was our first one. She was a sweetheart. As we have this interaction on camera, she goes, I saw her camera go, ooh, like she had a moment because she caught that reality in real time. But that doesn't sustain. And then, 3 seasons later, it's like, okay, Dave, on this episode, you're going to put down the wrong floor tile, and then you're going to get grumpy, and you're going to have to bust it all up again, okay? And that's where it got
staged, no longer authentic.